Hello everyone and welcome to Bheemunipatnam. It's a town full of history on the sunny coast of Andhra Pradesh, also known as Bhimili. This charming town is full of exciting things to see and do. Peaceful beaches stretch along the Bay of Bengal, whispering stories of sailors from long ago. Bheemunipatnam is a hidden treasure just waiting for you to discover it. Come with us as we explore its secrets. Every grain of sand, every whisper of the wind, and every wave that kisses the shore, every brick, every stone tells a story about Bheemunipatnam's exciting past. This town is a living museum where history breathes through its ancient walls and echoes in its narrow lanes. Let's go back to the 1500s when the Eastern Ganga dynasty first built the town. They laid the foundation of what would become a significant cultural and commercial hub. Imagine their time, a time of rich culture and success. The town was a bustling center of art, architecture and trade, reflecting the grandeur of its rulers. Later, the Dutch East India Company took over. They saw the potential of Bheemunipatnam and transformed it into a thriving trade port. It was a busy time for trade, with merchants from far and wide converging here. The port was alive with the hustle and bustle of commerce, with ships full of spices, cloth and other exotic goods. The air was thick with the scent of spices and the sound of different languages.
The Dutch changed the town's buildings. They introduced their architectural style, which blended seamlessly with the local designs, creating a unique fusion. Even the town's name, Bheemunipatnam, comes from a legend. It is said to be named after Bhima, one of the Pandava brothers from the Mahabharata. Bhima, a strong hero from the Mahabharata, is said to have visited this land. His presence is still felt in the stories and folklore of the town.
During the time when India was ruled by other countries, Bheemunipatnam stood as a testament to resilience and adaptation. Bheemunipatnam was an important port. It was a gateway for goods and ideas, connecting India to the rest of the world. The Dutch were very powerful here in the 1600s. Their influence can still be seen in the town's layout and architecture. You can still see old Dutch buildings today, like silent storytellers. They stand as a reminder of a bygone era, whispering tales of trade, conquest, and culture. Bheemunipatnam has seen many rulers, each leaving their mark on the town. From the Eastern Ganga dynasty to the Dutch, each era added a new layer to its rich tapestry. From ancient kings to powerful countries, the town has been a witness to the ebb and flow of history, but it has always kept its special charm. Today, Bheemunipatnam is a beautiful blend of the past and the present, a place where history and modernity coexist harmoniously. Leaving the bustling town centre behind, we embark on a short journey to the serene Bheemunipatnam beach. As we approach, the sight of the expansive shoreline and the gentle waves beckons us to unwind and relax. The salty air, infused with the scent of the ocean, feels incredibly calming and peaceful. The gentle breeze that sweeps across the beach adds to the tranquil atmosphere, making it a perfect spot to escape the chaos of everyday life. This beach is a haven for those seeking relaxation. People can be seen lounging on the soft sand, reading books, or simply gazing at the horizon. It's a place where you can enjoy the simple pleasures of life, away from the noise and stress. The gentle waves lapping on the shore create a soothing soundtrack while the soft breeze caresses your skin. It's an experience that rejuvenates the soul and brings a sense of inner peace. For many, Bheemunipatnam Beach is the ultimate escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. It's a retreat where you can disconnect from your worries and reconnect with nature. The beach's natural beauty is truly captivating. With its untouched scenery and pristine environment, it offers a glimpse of nature at its finest. The unspoiled landscape is a testament to the area's commitment to preserving its natural charm. The sand is impeccably clean and the water is crystal clear. It's a place where you can feel the purity of nature with every step you take. Taking a solitary stroll along the shore allows you to reflect and find clarity. The rhythmic sound of the waves and the vastness of the ocean provide the perfect backdrop for introspection.
If you're in the mood for some activity, Bheemunipatnam Beach has plenty to offer. From beach volleyball and jogging to kayaking, there's something for everyone to enjoy. The calm waters are perfect for swimming, providing a safe and enjoyable experience for all ages. You can also engage in various beach sports, from soccer to volleyball, making it a fun destination for families and friends. Despite the array of activities, the beach maintains its peaceful ambience. It's a place where fun and tranquility coexist harmoniously. As the day draws to a close, the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colours. The sunset over the ocean is a breathtaking sight, casting a warm glow over the beach. Families gather to enjoy this magical moment, sharing picnics and bonding as they watch the sun dip below the horizon. Bheemunipatnam Beach is more than just a destination. It's a sanctuary for simple fun and meaningful moments, where every visit leaves you with cherished memories.
Now we're at Bheemunipatnam Fort, high above the town and the Bay of Bengal. This fort stands as a silent sentinel, watching over the waves and the bustling town below. Its strategic location offers a breathtaking view, making it clear why it was chosen as a site of defense and control. Even though it's old, the fort shows how important Bheemunipatnam was. The thick, weathered walls tell tales of a time when this fort was a hub of activity, a place where decisions that shaped the region were made. The architecture, though worn by time, still stands strong, a testament to the skill and foresight of its builders. You can almost hear the sounds of its exciting past. Imagine the clatter of horse hooves, the shouts of soldiers, and the hum of daily life within these walls. Each stone, each pathway, holds echoes of a bygone era, inviting us to step back in time and experience the fort's vibrant history. The Dutch built this fort in the 1600s to protect their trade. They recognized the strategic importance of this location, not just for defense, but also for controlling the lucrative trade routes. The fort's design reflects their colonial ambitions and their need to safeguard their interests in the region. The fort, with its great view, was a busy place. From the ramparts, one could see ships coming and going, traders bustling about, and soldiers standing guard. It was a place of constant activity, a melting pot of cultures and commerce where the old world met the new. Soldiers walked along the walls and traders came and went through its gates. The fort was not just a military stronghold, but also a thriving center of trade and interaction. The presence of soldiers ensured security, while the traders brought goods and stories from distant lands, enriching the local culture. Walking through the old doorways feels like stepping back in time. Each archway, each corridor is a portal to the past, allowing us to imagine the lives of those who once walked these paths. The fort's architecture, with its intricate details and robust construction, speaks volumes about the era it was built in. You can almost hear stories of battles. The fort's walls have witnessed countless skirmishes and sieges, each leaving its mark on the structure. The echoes of clashing swords and the cries of warriors seem to linger in the air, reminding us of the fort's turbulent past. Even though it's old and weathered, the fort reminds us of the town's history. It stands as a monument to the resilience and endurance of Bheemunipatnam, a symbol of the town's ability to withstand the test of time. The fort's enduring presence is a reminder of the rich history that has shaped this region. Its walls protect the stories of the people who lived here before us. Each stone is a silent witness to the lives, struggles, and triumphs of those who called this place home. The fort is not just a structure, it is a repository of memories and tales waiting to be discovered. The fort is an important piece of history. It serves as a tangible link to our past, a place where we can connect with the heritage and legacy of Bheemunipatnam. Its significance goes beyond its physical presence. It is a symbol of the town's historical and cultural identity. It shows how strong and lasting Bheemunipatnam is. The fort's enduring structure is a testament to the strength and resilience of the town and its people. It stands as a proud symbol of the enduring spirit of Bheemunipatnam, a reminder of the town's rich and storied past. Let's visit St. Peter's Church. This beautiful building is a quiet place to think. The church shows the time when the British ruled India. It mixes European and local styles. Sunlight shines through colorful windows, making beautiful patterns. The air is cool and quiet, perfect for prayer. The church is a symbol of Bheemunipatnam's diverse history. It's a place where you can see how the past has shaped the present. Even after all these years, St. Peter's Church is still important to the community. People come here for Sunday services, showing how strong their faith is. Weddings and baptisms happen here too. St. Peter's Church is a peaceful place. Its beauty is good for the soul. As we leave, we feel peaceful and appreciate the power of faith and history. Bheemunipatnam is wonderful, but there's more to see nearby. Visakhapatnam is close by and has its own special attractions.
First, let's go to Kailasagiri Hill. The view from the top is amazing. You can see all of Visakhapatnam and the Bay of Bengal sparkling in the distance.
At the top of the hill, it feels very calm. There are statues of Hindu gods. Families enjoy picnics and the beautiful view. If you want a more exciting city experience, Visakhapatnam has busy beaches and lots of energy. The area around Bheemunipatnam has something for everyone. If you like trains, the Bheemunipatnam railway station is there for you. The train ride gives you amazing views of the Bay of Bengal. If you want to get here faster, fly into Visakhapatnam's airport. From there, it's a short and comfortable drive to Bheemunipatnam. No matter how you get here, the journey is part of the fun. Once you arrive, there's so much to discover. Bheemunipatnam promises a trip you won't forget. You can enjoy a scenic drive on good roads. The trip is beautiful, with green landscapes and the sparkling coast. Getting to Bheemunipatnam is an adventure itself. The town is easy to reach for everyone. It's time to say goodbye to Bheemunipatnam, a town full of stories of empires and peaceful old churches. Whether you love history or the beach, Bheemili has something special for you. As the sun sets, we remember all the good things about this hidden gem. The friendly people, the rich history, and the peaceful beaches will stay in our minds long after we leave. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel videos. Until next time, have wonderful adventures.